Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is cotangent or COT function. COT function is also a trigonometric function, and this function is mainly used to calculate the cotangent of any angle in terms of radian. Okay, so whenever you want to calculate the cotangent in terms of radian, you can use two way. Like either you can go with a SQLRPGLE program, you can create one program, and for a particular angle you can find out the cotangent value. But if you would like to go with normal query, then you can use query also on STR-SQL. In this session, we will discuss about both the ways. So I will start from the SQLRPG program. So here I have already created one example. I'll walk you through that code. So here we are declaring one constant as we do in all our previous sessions as well. Okay. So here I just created SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. And this constant I'm going to use to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not. Then we have one result one variable, and this variable is used to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Then we have one commitment control option, which is commit where we are setting the commit equals to star none. Okay, below to this we are using the main query, which is exec SQL select COT. So this is my function name, COT 30. So what it will do, it will calculate the cotangent of 30, and whatever the output it will get will be stored into this host variable result1, and this data is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. Okay, so just after executing this query, you can check for the SQL state. If SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then display result1, else display SQL state, which would help the user to find out the actual error, and print the error message query ended with an error, and if INLR on. Okay, so syntax is quite simple. You just need to write the function name, and inside that you can pass the value for which you want to calculate the cotangent, and the short form is COT. So let's quickly compile this program and call this. So you can see for COT 30 it is returning the value as 0. Alright, so now how we can utilize the same function on normal query. So here I just removed the part where we are using the host variable, because here we are going to display the output. So just write it like this, select COT of 90 as COT value radians. Okay, so this is my alias name. So whenever it prints the value for the COT 90, it would come as a come with the alias name COT value radians, and this data is coming from sysibm.systeme1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the value as minus 5.01202783 something. Clear? So we discussed both the ways how we can utilize the SQLRPGLE program for using the COT function, and also how we can use the query for using the COT function. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.